Somebody shipped me 2 PlayStation 5s here, and we got the second one apart, and it doesn't power on. However, with the multimeter, we see that the power supply is actually good. So I got the motherboard out here, and this motherboard got hit by a power surge. Boom, I found it. It's the South Bridge. It burnt out. Okay, I have this donor board here. Let's extract this chip from it. To the machine. Okay, let's align the chip here. Okay, now we're ready to start. All right, we got a clean lift off here. We just got the chip here. Okay, let's prep it. I just got my fresh paste. Okay, we got the paste on it. All right, I think this chip is ready. Let's go. Nice. This is the motherboard that we're gonna be working on. Let's remove this South Bridge and replace it. And we're back to the machine and we're aligning the chip here. All right, and that looks like a successful removal as well. It's time to clean up. All right, it's nice and clean. Let's put our chip on. All right, here we see that it's aligned perfect. All right, we're back onto the machine here and we started the first phase. Okay, it's done here and we're cooling. All right, the chip is installed here. Let's put it together and test. All right, I plugged it up here and let's test it. Let's see. Nice, it powers on. The tester says that it's okay. What do we have here? Yes, we got it.